Today we're going to set up the Storm Cloud app on the iPhone. If you've not done so already, download the Storm Cloud app from the App Store. Once downloaded, open up the application. From the home screen, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new NVR. Tap Serial Number Scan. Scan the device's QR code with the serial number listed below. This should be printed on the side or the back or underneath your NVR. Tap Next. Tap NVR. Enter the device name. And then enter the username and password provided. Tap Save. From here you can see the live view. If you'd like to go in closer, you can double tap on any camera. Even closer, you can go full screen by tilting the device on its side. From here, we can also view recorded footage by tapping on the left hand icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can select the calendar option near the middle of the screen and choose the day that you'd like to review footage from. Tap OK. The playback will always start from midnight for the day that you've chosen. So scroll to whatever time you'd like to review. And you'll see the image is updated and you're watching the playback of the video. The small image in the bottom right is actually the camera's current live view. You can close that by tapping the X in the top right corner of that picture. And that's all for today.